Good morning. It's Dr. Hilton at our Brighton office at Duncan Chiropractic Group. I wanted to come at you with a question we get often at Duncan. The simplest of questions as a chiropractor is, what exactly does a chiropractic adjustment do? And why do we perform those on patients? Well, the simplest, quickest answer is adjustments help to restore proper motion in a joint, specifically the spinal joints. However, we also do extremity adjustments, which are for shoulders and knees and ankles, because every joint needs to move correctly in order for you to function correctly. Now, getting a little bit more complicated with that, but not too much. When we perform an adjustment on a patient, it actually helps to regulate or balance their nervous system, which is the system in your body that controls how your organs, how you feel, like how everything operates, how your brain communicates to your body. So when we perform an adjustment, it helps to regulate that. It can help decrease a stress response. It can help to improve blood flow to an area, helps to reduce muscle contractures. It helps to improve, as I said, mobility, performance, function of that area. And the obvious thing too, it helps to reduce pain. Most people come to see us with pain. However, that's not the only reason people get adjusted. They get adjusted for performance, for wellness, as part of a healthy lifestyle. So in summary, adjustments help to restore better mechanics and helps to restore better function to the area of your body, which in turn helps to improve your nervous system. So adjustments are really good for anybody. And we'd be happy to talk to you about that specifically. If you have anything you want us to talk to, come on in, schedule an appointment with one of our chiropractors, and we'll take it from there. Have a great Friday. Have a good weekend.